Hi, my name is Deepthi. Seat valves and non-written valves are two types of valves that are used in many different industries. They are both designed to control the flow of liquid, but they work in different ways. Seat valves use a seal to block the flow of liquid, while non-written valves use a check valve to allow liquid to flow in one direction only. Both types of valves are important in many applications, and it's important to know how to properly dismantle and assemble them. Today, we are going to learn about dismantling and assembling of seat valves and non-written valves.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to dismantle, service and assemble a seat valve, dismantle, service and reassemble a non-return valve. Tools required: spanner set, pipe wrench, adjustable spanner, screwdriver, water pump pliers, soft hammer, ball peen hammer. Materials required: gate valve, asbestos rope, rubber sheet, leather sheet, emery sheet, oil, grease. A seat valve is a type of valve that uses a seat to seal in the closed position. The seat is a round, disc-shaped piece of material that is seated in a groove in the body of the valve. When the valve is in the closed position, the seat blocks the flow of fluid through the valve. Now, we'll look at the dismantling and assembling. Close the seat valve by turning the hand wheel clockwise. Remove the nut with a spanner and lift the wheel. Remove the gland nut from the bonnet by turning it in the anti-clockwise direction. Remove the stuffing gland. Clean out the old packing in the stuffing box. Cut a standard asbestos tape to make a new packing. Assemble and spindle gate to the bonnet. Assemble the hand wheel and tighten the hand wheel nut. Open the seat valve and tighten the gland nut until the packing is compressed sufficiently to stop the water escaping from the gland nut. Hold the spanner at bonnet neck. Loosen the bonnet 2 or 3 turn. Again, loosen the bonnet 2 or 3 turn. Note: don't over-tie the gland nut. Filling the gasket should not be too much. Clean the disc gate with emery sheet. Next, we are going to see about non-return valves. A non-return valve is a type of valve that allows fluid to flow in only one direction. The valve has a flap or check valve that opens to allow fluid to flow through in the forward direction and then closes to prevent fluid from flowing back in the reverse direction. The parts of non-return valves are cap, stop plug, hinge pin, hinge, disc hinge nut, disc, body. Now, let's begin with the process. Shut off the water by closing the main valve. Remove the cap from the valve body. Remove the hinge pin and take out the disc. Separate the disc from the hinge. Clean the seating area and the other parts of the disc. Assemble the disc and hinge plate with a pin. Check the function of the hinge unit. Replace the sealing material and assemble the cap to the body. Open the main gate valve and check for leakage. Note: don't over-tighten the hinge pin. Both seat valves and non-return valves are used in a variety of applications, such as in plumbing and in automotive engines. Seat valves are often used in applications where a tight seal is necessary, such as in water lines. Non-return valves are often used in applications where it is necessary to prevent backflow, such as in sewage lines.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to dismantle, service and assemble a seat valve, dismantle, service and reassemble a non-return valve. Thus, we have learnt how to dismantle and assemble seat valves and non-return valves. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.